It's your boy, the most electrifying man on YouTube Entertainment today, the chosen one with the golden tongue, Lao, C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself, and I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm having an okay day. I'm in the heart of nature right now. I'm on the beach. I'm loving life, baby. I'm loving life. But listen, somebody must have manifested me on their screens if they wanted this message that's from God through my mouth to your ears. And that message is, chosen ones, do not forget the value of the worth you have inside of you. Oh, do not forget the value of the worth you have inside of you, chosen ones. And past, we are in a day where people will try to devalue you, make you feel like you're not worthy enough to have the desires you want in your life. But guess what? C Nasty is here to tell you right now, right here and right now, you are able to accomplish any desire you want in your life. You are able to accomplish any desire you want in your life. Why you say that, C Nasty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Due to the simple fact that you would not have the desire in your heart to accomplish it if it wasn't already yours. If it was not already yours, chosen one, you would not have the desire to accomplish the desire. Feel me? God put that desire in your heart for a reason, and that reason was to accomplish it and complete it and show it off. Because I know there are chosen ones out there that have been rejected, and they have been made to believe they were less than worthy of accomplishing what they wanted to accomplish. I know it. I've been there. And if you're watching to even the point of this video, I know you've been there also. Hit me in the comment section, even with a "what's up, my boy," or "I've been there." Let me know. I get my life in the comment section. Chosen ones, empaths, if you have a vision and a desire and you tell people your ideas and they can't see it for what it actually is, do yourself the favor and stop telling people what you see in your vision, due to the simple fact that the vision that you see is only yours, and God gave it only for your eyes to see. Nobody else can see it. Only you can see it, and only you know the steps to get there. You might not see how to get there fully, but God is walking with you, and every step of the way He has your hand. So that means that every step of the way you're doing it the right way. All you have to do is lay the brick perfectly. You get what I'm saying? You're building a foundation, so your job is to lay the brick perfectly every day, one brick at a time. You get what I'm saying, chosen one? And enjoy the journey at the time, at the same damn time. Chosen ones and paths, believe when I tell you, your desires are coming to fruition. Believe it when I tell you, all you need is the faith of a mustard seed, and God got what you need. Believe it. It's in the Bible. I'm not sure what verse. If you know the verse, put it in the comment section, please, because I'm not a Bible scholar, but I've been trying to get up on my Bible game, feel me? But listen, if you have the desire in your heart to accomplish, that means God gave you the feet, and He gave you the movement and the energy to complete it. And if you don't, it's damn near blasphemous if you don't. Serious. Your boy C Nasty's here with the message from God through my mouth to your ears. So please take heed to the message. If God gave you the desire and you can't do nothing with the gift, this damn near blasphemous, okay? You need to get on the grind. It's time to rise, grind, and then shine on their ass. You get what I'm saying, chosen ones? You've been through so much, chosen ones. All that you've been through. Are you sure that you want to continue going through the same cycles of the pits of hell? I don't think you do. So it's time for you to throw a little kink in the wrench to make things go your way. You get what I'm saying? Things have to change for things to start going your way, chosen ones. And it first starts with your belief, and it first starts with your faith. You get what I'm saying? That you could even accomplish the desire that you have in your heart, chosen one. Look at me. I'm trying to accomplish a desire that I seen in my heart 2 years ago, and I seen a vision to create a channel that will help me and help others, and we could both help each other at the same damn time, parasocially. You get what I'm saying? That's what I was, and guess what? I got it from the ground up and I'm still building it up thanks to the help of 1,800 of y'all subscribers. Thank you so much for the subscribers too, baby. If I haven't, thank you. Yo, join the family. Like I said, we're at 1,800 on our way to 2,000, baby. Oh, join the fam. Subscribe. I'm a cool guy. Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. C Nasty. Oh, listen. You have to keep faith in your dream, chosen ones. God gave you a dream. Feel me? And let me tell you, life is not all that it seems. You're in your dream right now trying to live it. Not trying. You're in your dreams right now living out the dream, okay? You're in your life right now living out the dream that God gave you. In the scene. You get what I'm saying? Behind the scenes. And you know what you gotta accomplish to get where you gotta go. Some of y'all, I don't know what you're trying to do. Some of y'all are trying to be the next top actor, the next top singer, the next top waitress, the next top forklifter. I don't know. The next top musician. But the thing that I'm saying is if you're not working on it, if you don't think that you could do it, it's not gonna happen for you. Bro, sis, it's not going to happen for you if you can't see the vision, know that it's yours, and go accomplish it. If you have all these doubts in your mind that it's not gonna work, if you have people in your ear telling you that your dream is not gonna work while you're dreaming it, get them away from you and get those thoughts away from you. Due to the simple fact that you will not, and I repeat, you will not accomplish any parts of your goal that you're trying to accomplish. I'm telling you. It's a vicious cycle out here, a vicious cycle. And you have to be aware of the cycle. You know what I mean? I wasn't aware of the cycle I was in. I was in this vicious cycle going round and round and round, daily, nightly. It was killing me. It was killing me. And I had to figure something out. I got on my knees, I talked to God, and God gave me the blueprint. It didn't take one day. It didn't take 3, 4, 5 days, 4 or 5 months. No, it took time. It took time, chosen ones. But like I said, I built something from the ground up and it's growing. It's growing. So I'm doing something right. The word is reaching the right people, and I'm glad it's reaching the right people. If you're the right person to reach, hit me in the comment section. Drop a, you hit the right person. Or hit me with a, what's up, my boy? Anything like that, feel me? I get my life in the comment section. But yeah, I'm in the heart of nature. You see the waves crashing along the rocks right here. Oh, crashing along the rocks, baby. Appreciate the small things in life and just know that life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. You just gotta go outside and feeling good with no regrets, baby. Like your boy C Nasty. That's what Nasty even stands for. Never ashamed, so honestly thank yourself. How you think I'm walking around here ashamed or regretting any? No! I'm happy. I'm happy. And if I'm not happy, if I'm struggling to find happiness, I make sure I find peace. Chosen ones, if I can't find happiness, I make sure I find peace. You know what I'm saying? Because happiness is a fleeting emotion, just like any other emotion is a fleeting emotion. You could be upset, you could be depressed, you could be happy, sad, excited, but as long as you can have peace, as long as you can have peace in the midst of the emotions, that's where you want to be. That's where you want to set the foundation. Believe it when I tell you. Chosen ones, believe it when I tell you. Oh, we're going on 10 minutes, so you know what that means. That means the outro is coming up, and you know I love my outro, and I hope somebody is still watching it, because here it comes. Hola, here it comes. Here comes the outro. I hope somebody's still watching. It's your boy, the most electrifying man on YouTube Entertainment today. Your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly thank yourself. And like I said, people, if you like the message, hit the like button. It's not even hard. If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly thank yourself. Hit the subscribe button. I'm a cool guy. I got over 575 videos, high-level consciousness conversations for you and whoever you want to bring with you. Just hit me in the comment section if you do. Listen, I'm out of here. It's your boy. I already said that. One love.